Introduction to Azure Synapse REST API. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that brings together enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics into a single service. It allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources and provides a unified view of your data. The Azure Synapse REST API is a set of APIs that allows you to interact with Azure Synapse programmatically and automate various tasks, such as creating and managing resources, querying data, and monitoring performance. Getting started with Azure Synapse REST API. To get started with the Azure Synapse REST API, you need to register an application with Azure Active Directory and grant the necessary permissions to use the API. You can do this by following these steps. Create a new application in Azure Active Directory and add the Azure Synapse API permission to the application. Register the application and grant the necessary permissions to use the API. Authenticating with Azure Synapse REST API. To authenticate with the Azure Synapse REST API, you need to obtain an access token and pass it in the authorization header of your API requests. You can obtain an access token by using the client credentials flow and exchanging your client ID and client secret for an access token. You can then use this token to authenticate your API requests. Azure Synapse REST API endpoints. The Azure Synapse REST API provides a set of endpoints for interacting with Azure Synapse resources, such as workspaces, databases, tables, and queries. The API endpoints are organized into several categories, including workspaces, databases, queries, and monitoring. You can use these endpoints to create and manage resources, query data, and monitor performance. Practical examples of Azure Synapse REST API. Here are some practical examples of using the Azure Synapse REST API. Create a new workspace by sending a POST request to the workspace's endpoint. Create a new database by sending a POST request to the database's endpoint. Query data by sending a GET request to the query's endpoint. Monitor performance by sending a GET request to the monitoring endpoint. Best practices for using Azure Synapse REST API. Here are some best practices for using the Azure Synapse REST API. Use authentication and authorization to secure your API requests. Handle errors and exceptions properly. Use the correct API endpoint and method for the task at hand. Use pagination and filtering to limit the amount of data returned. Use the API to automate repetitive tasks and workflows. Test and validate your API requests before deploying them to production. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Azure Synapse REST API is a powerful tool for interacting with Azure Synapse programmatically and automating various tasks. It provides a set of endpoints for creating and managing resources, querying data, and monitoring performance. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this guide, you can get started with the Azure Synapse REST API and start automating your Azure Synapse workflows today.